Hello everybody, Coolbones here with a tutorial on how to make Mario. But you probably haven't seen him with this head. That's because he used to have this head that I made on a Lego figure. The head from this Mario is actually the head of one of these Tomy Mario karts. Rip off Mario's head. That's what they should look like. But if you're like me and you tried to take it off and it didn't come off, you're going to need an X-Acto knife and try and dig out all that blue stuff, out of all the blue plastic out. So other than that, I will go on to how to paint the torso. So you need a blue torso. Take out the arms and replace them with red. There we go. Come on, there we go. Now you want to replace the hands, if they aren't already placed. Do this. There, you've got your Mario with his arms. Now, to do his iconic overalls. So you need to basically copy this design. So, get a tray or something. I just use crafty colour, deep red. Doesn't look deep red when you put it out, but it dries the right red. Alright. And do his middle bit. Now you might want to do 2 coats. So let the first coat dry, come back and do it again. There. Then you can also do that to the back. And if you want to like do the shoulder area, which I did on my one, it's a bit hard now that I've put the paint on to take off his arms. But let that dry. If you want to do his boots, I can't find my brown paint, but just paint the bottom of some standard legs. And for the head, just do that. Or if they're old, they might be a bit sun bleached. So just get your paint and bump the camera. Just paint over it entirely, but leave the M. Unless you have a really, really small paintbrush. Do the underside. Hang on, I'll just bring him over here so I can see what I'm doing. Look out for the M, don't get that covered. Cover the rest in red. Now this you might want to also do 2 coats of. I think I did with mine.
It'll be done by the time I get back from feeding the dog. Please.
Don't mind that. But there's a somewhat painted Mario head. Can't speak. So that's what it looked like before. Now it looks more Mario red. Put that over somewhere to dry. Sort of stand him up. Now this paint will probably take 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes to dry. So wait until that's done. And if the torso has printing on it, get a pencil eraser and just rub it off. Now I'm going to show you how to do his buttons on my own because they're fading. Alright. Get your yellow, yet again, just crafty colour, pale yellow. Now, you can either get a thinner brush to do it a bit more accurately, but just tap it on. You got Mario's buttons. So then, when it's all dry, put it all together. You should have a Mario figure. If you want me to make a Luigi tutorial, I will. But that's Mario. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this, or is it helpful? So please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more LEGO content. Thanks for watching.